Whoa. Nigel. Okay, let's try that. Balde Balls 024 and then Nigel Rizky. Thanks so much for the ice cream, bro. I appreciate it. Hope you have a great day. You made my day, bro. Oops, it did not work. Yeah. Diba't kahaba. Isagi for life. Thank you so much for following, bro. Appreciate it. Aleng 151. Then Aleng 1115. Idola Romaldo. Thanks so much for following, bro. Jason, thanks so much for following. Yo, Chrisos, thanks so much for the account. I appreciate it. Damn, this account is good, bro. Thanks so much, bro. Appreciate it. Everyone, once again, this live was supposed to be giving free accounts to those people that doesn't have an account. So if you drop your account, you'll never get it back again, okay? Ikaw na kahinaan ko, tsaka mo ko natutunan liwasan. Yan agad sa isang tawag, madali sa'yo bitawan. So sorry about that. Someone messaged me. XGF, thanks.
Lag guys, lag. Lag guys, lag.
Easy. Thank you again, bro. Appreciate it again and again and again.
Yan
Appreciate
guys. Password yan guys.
Hope you have a great day. Everyone who's watching, hoping have a great day. Mark, thank you so much for the road, bro. Hope you have a great day too. Contentant. What? Contentant and Alexandra, thanks so much for the gifts. I appreciate it, everyone. Raz, thank you so much for the rose. I appreciate it, bro. Have a great day. Johan Layford, thanks so much for following, bro. And welcome to the live, bro.
1, 2, 3,
Mark, thank you again for the rose, bro. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate it so much, bro. Thank you so much. And Black Robe. JOS Tenor, shout out to you, man. Welcome to the live. Crazy, thanks so much for following, bro. Appreciate it. Marigold, thanks so much for following. I'll go live again tomorrow, guys. If you want to watch me again, get some account in the comment section. Just follow me so it can notify you when I go live, okay? Wrong? What do you mean wrong? Don't forget to follow me, guys, okay?
What's up guys, malang to ating video ngayon at yun yung mga account na nakita nyo. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-like dyan dahil meron na yung mga account. At tomorrow, yung I'm Stella Baby, ipamimigay ko yun ha. Ipamimigay ko yung I'm Stella Baby, ay hindi. Ipamimigay ko yung I'm Stella Baby if yung subscribers mag 100,000 subscribers. Yan lang, ay mag 80,000 subscribers, ipamimigay ko yung I'm Stella Baby, Mustal 7 ug Antric Rumimi. Bago ko ibigay ang Mustal 7 ug Antric Rumimi, ipa 100,000 subscribers ako guys, mamimigay ako na yan.